The Porsche 911 GT3 RS is finally here. The high-performance car receives substantial upgrades to its cooling and aerodynamic systems that help enhance the car's capabilities. A new central radiator replaces the three-radiator setup of previous cars, freeing up space for Porsche to install new active aerodynamic elements at the front. The car is capable of producing 901 pounds of downforce at 124 miles per hour. Twice as much as its 991.2 gen predecessor, and 1,895 pounds at 177 miles per hour. The car even features a drag reduction system, a first for a production Porsche, powering the 911 GT3 RS, the brand's naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine. It produces 518 horsepower thanks to new camshafts with modified cam profiles, featuring a motorsport-derived single-throttle intake system. The 911 GT3 RS keeps its weight down thanks to the extensive use of carbon fiber-reinforced plastic CFRP. It helps the car weigh just 3,196 pounds. 1 for 5 oak GG, and Porsche uses it for the doors, front wings, bucket seats, and more. Porsche will allow buyers to upgrade to the Club Sport package at no extra charge. This adds a steel rollover bar, 6-point seatbelt, and a handheld fire extinguisher. The car will also be available with the Weissach pack, but it'll cost extra as it adds a lot of goodies. It includes a carbon weave finish on several exterior components and more CFRP parts like the front and rear anti-roll bars, the rear axle shear panel, and the interior rollover bar. Those who get the Weissach pack can also upgrade to the optional magnesium forged wheels to save even more weight.